there's more work. Sa telecommunications naman, inatasan ko ang Telecommunications Commission na kumilos na tungkol sa mga sumbong na drop calls at mga nawawalang load sa cellphone. We need to amend the Commonwealth-era Public Service Law, and we need to do it now. Kung noong nakaraan, lumakas ang electronics, today, we are creating wealth by developing the BPO and tourism sectors as additional engines of growth. Electronics and other manufactured exports rise and fall in accordance with the state of the world economy. But BPO remains resilient. With earnings of $6 billion and employment of 600,000, the BPO phenomenon speaks eloquently of our competitiveness and productivity. Let us have a department of ICT. In the last 4 years, tourism almost doubled. It is now a $5 billion industry. Our reforms gave us the resources to protect our people, our financial system, and our economy from the worst of shocks that the best in the West failed to anticipate. They gave us the resources to extend welfare support and enhance spending power. For helping me raise government salaries through Joint Resolution number 4, thank you, Congress. Cash handouts give the most immediate relief and produce the widest stimulating effect. Nakikinabang ang 700,000 na pinakamahihirap na pamilya sa programang Pantawid Pamilya. We prioritize projects with the same stimulus effects plus long-term contributions to progress. Sa pagpapamahagi ng milyong-milyong hektarya ng lupa, 700,000 na katutubo at mahigit 1 milyong benepisyaryo ng CARP ay taas noong may-ari na ng sariling lupa. Hinihiling ko sa Kongreso na ipasa agad ang pagpapalawi ng CARP. At dapat makondone ang 42 billion pesos na non-report liabilities dahil 18% lamang ang nabayaran mula 1972. Because it will unfreeze the rural property market. Ang mahal ng ama ang nag-emancipate ng mga magsasaka. I-emancipate naman natin ngayon ang titulo. Nakinabang ang 7 milyong entrepreneur sa 165 billion pesos in microfinance loans. Nakinabang ang 100,000 sa emergency employment ng ating Economic Resilience Plan. Kasama natin ngayon ang isa sa kanila, si Gigi Gaviola. Dating household service workers of Dubai, ngayon siya na pag